G'day skate champions and welcome to Skate Timber Day 5. We're here back at Wavell Heights, my local. Some local lads just shredding up. But today's trick is the Nollie shove. I couldn't decide if I was just going to do a regular shove it or a fakie shove with this. But Nollie shove is something I'm particularly good at, so I just wanted to sort of up my game and added it to the list. I might start off with just a couple of shoves and that fakie shove though, and then we'll get stuck into the Nollies. Wish me luck. So yeah, shove it. Really confusing because I thought this would have been, you know, straight away, but struggled with it big time. I guess because I'm just used to doing the pop shove with my toe on the end, but this one you really have to sort of tuck your toes over the side to flick it around. So it took me a few tries to get that, and then I did the fakie shove, which was quite easy first try, and then sort of improving the form of those a little bit. And just wanted to land a few more before now, and I try the Nollie shove. Let's go. So yeah, a completely different beast going Nollie. I think the muscle memory in almost your toes, all the way down to your toes, is completely different for each foot. And yeah, I just wasn't really getting the proper flick, and the confidence dropped dramatically straight away because I just didn't feel comfortable. It's really about using that momentum that you've got going forward and just sort of flick as best you can and let the board go with you and jump with it. Yeah, I did it probably 2 or 3 times, which I was really happy with. And then I tried the, I guess the front shove going the opposite direction. And I found that a lot easier. I think it was because I was sort of pointing your toes and sort of flicking around rather than like scooping. So yeah, got one of those. But yeah, pretty successful today. I'm actually going to try maybe a shove on the mushroom here just to wrap up this video. Not sure I'll get it, but it's worth a try, I think. Something a bit different. Alright, wanted to try these over the hump for a little while. I think the shoves were probably the best rather than doing the fakie shove or particularly the Nollie shove. And I felt really close. Trying to get up to the top and then do the rotation was a bit too late because it would slip out behind me, or in front of me, sorry. So I was trying to just rotate and then land on top of the mushroom so I could roll back down. Wasn't going too bad. I landed this one.
Yes! Woo! Got it! Yeah!
And foolishly, I kept trying to get another one. Took an absolute belter of a stack.
Bro!
Yeah. Oh man, it went down hard. And broke my glasses. I got these new glasses here, and yeah, my cheek hurts, my knee hurts, everything hurts, but I landed. So that's it for day 5. I'll heal up now, and I'll see you legends tomorrow. Remember to keep skating, keep having fun, and of course,
Keep progressing.
keep progressing. Take it easy. You can see from the video that I landed pretty well, but what you might not see is that the board was sort of traveling away from the camera and I was going not towards the camera but straight. And I committed to it, I think, and this is where commitment can sometimes go against you. The board just flung out and yeah, just came down. This just demonstrates how quickly things can go wrong. I'll be wearing my helmet from now on. I think that was a bit foolish. I've been borrowing my daughter's and she was here, so she was using it, but I'm going to have to get myself one. Yeah, go helmet gang. Always stay safe. I'll see you legends tomorrow.